Cruz on Mellow 94.7.
Mellow 94.7 sounds good. Welcome to another episode of Stage 1. You're still with your cruise directress, Ingrid, and I'm keeping you guys company all the way till 4 o'clock today. But of course, the first segment on the afternoon cruise every Wednesday is Stage 1. And we have with us the boys of Letter Day Story. Welcome back to the show. Passengers on the afternoon cruise, let's welcome Dex, Not,
Hi.
EJ, and Ollie.
Hello.
Sounds so cartoon. Welcome back, boys, from Letter Day Story.
Hello.
Yes, so it's
Thank
been a
you
while.
for
This is
inviting us here again.
what, their 4th or their 5th visit on the show to promote and also to... Can you sing a CR song?
Okay. Basketball sa Ay, wala na. Lumabas na ako sa pinto.
You didn't flush. Ew. So how's the showbiz life?
Okay naman. Artista ka ba?
Are you all still single?
Yeah. Single.
Yeah? Really?
May bago kaming single. Oh, may bago kaming single.
Parang may alam mo kay Dex eh.
Ano yun?
I think I saw you one time.
Tagal na yun. Siguro 2 years ago.
Ooh. So, wala na.
Wala na.
So single, everyone single. Okay, new year, new life, new love life. What was welcoming 2012 like for you?
Positive vibes. Maraming bagong opportunities din na kailangan pag-isipan. May struggles din na kailangan apakan.
Pero tuloy
malampasan.
Enjoy lang. Kumbaga, New Year eh. So dapat bago rin yung
Outlook.
Saka
right.
dapat bago may bigote daw siya dapat.
New look. Okay. Letter Day Story is here to perform songs from their new release, Breakaway, and we'll also get to hear some of their biggest and most requested tracks from their album, Sama Sama. You can call us over 631-9470 if you want to talk to Letter Day Story on air. Text us over 2948, Mellow 947 space. Your message as we speak. This is being broadcasted live on Ustream. That's ustream.tv/channel/Mellow 947-live stream. So let's get to the first song by Letter Day Story. What are you performing?
From the previous album, Side Neta Sama Sama. na't sumama, kasama ang tropa. Tayo'y maglalakbay ng sabay-sabay. Tara na't sumama, kasama ang tropa. Tayo'y maglalakbay para sa tagumpay. Salamat.
Mellow 94.7 sounds good. You're listening to Stage 1. And of course, it's Letter Day Story performing for us live all the way till 3 o'clock today. If you have any questions or requests for them, you can call us up over 631-9470, or you can view it live on Ustream. That's ustream.tv/channel/Mellow947-livestream. And of course, you could also post your questions and your requests over Facebook. Facebook.com/Mellow947.fm. So we were talking about the new year, new challenges, and new things, your new outlook. So when we talk about the new outlook, what's this new outlook? Anyone can answer, raise your hand. Walang grade.
EJ. Siyempre positive yung thinking namin lalo. Lalo na ngayon, since New Year, pag nasimulan ng maganda, matatapos din ng maganda. Parang gano'n. So tuloy-tuloy yung swerte. Ever.
And siguro ngayon, parang since na 2012, so parang nag-isip din kami ng mga bago or pwede may offer namin sa mga
kabataan.
fans namin and yung mga tao. Lalo na sa sa performance din and sa songwriting, siguro mag-explore pa kami.
Yes, because you have a huge fan base now, right? So of course they want, as much as they love your music, they expect some stuff from you also, right? So what is it that you love about your fans who have supported you all through these years?
Nung nagsisimula pa lang kami, kumbaga parang natutuwa kami kasi parang may fan. Tapos hanggang ngayon, nandun pa rin sila. Kumbaga, nag-grow na yung music namin, nag-iba na yung flavor, nandun pa rin sila. Parang hindi sila nagsawa. Parang, mas lalo namin sila na naging close ngayon. Kasi like sa Twitter and sa Facebook. Yun, nakakausap namin sila. Yung iba naman nakaka-text namin.
Okay.
mo. Ba't ako? Kayo rin ka. Yung iba, ayun. Tapos, nandun sila sa gigs. Tapos, syempre, nahiya sila mag-approach sa amin before, una. Tapos, syempre, alam namin na sila yun, nakikita namin sila sa Facebook. So, kami na mismo lumalapit. Uy, salamat. Yung mga
Okay, so how do you think...
supportive yung mga fans din. And like yung sa Facebook namin, kung meron kami activity like minigame, kunyari hulaan ka na. So, very responsive sila. So, medyo buhay yung at least kahit pa paano may activity dun sa Facebook page.
Okay, mini game. I was thinking baka meron talagang game, like you have a party.
Pag walang gigs, yun yung ginagawa namin. Online kami dun. Tapos,
So what's this an example of a mini game that got a lot of feedback from your fans?
Yung last na,
Yung huli kong tinanong doon kung sino yung pangalan ng babae sa music video namin. So, Save Me. Kung anong name niya. So, ang dami nagsasabi kung sino-sino. Yung mananalo doon, may free stuff. Basta may
kung anong staff
may
niya.
premyo.
And makukuha nila yon pag
Pumunta sa gig.
Wow! So they really have to participate and of course meet and greet you guys,
Yeah.
right? And of course the support has just always been there. In international tours, have you gone on any international tours yet?
Nasa Dubai kami. Nasa Dubai kami
week.
bukas. Tapos, hindi, joke lang yan.
wala pa, pero out of the, out of Manila. Out of town.
But of course you're looking forward to that.
Out of
Out of Manila. Sa siguro Cebu, ayun, sa Tacloban, sa mga taga-Tacloban pala, kung nakikinig kayo, hello sa inyo. Ayun, first time namin tumugtog ng Tacloban, hindi namin expect na, na kilala pala kami doon.
They love your music,
Yeah.
of course. With the growth of your music, also your audience will also grow. Right.
I'm very thankful kami kasi before, yung mga fans namin, favorite nila yung like yung itong song sana ikaw pa rin sama-sama. Tapos pag naglalabas kami ng mga bagong flavor na nasasabing medyo iba dito, very supportive pa rin sila na kahit anong ilabas namin, nag-enjoy sila. So, okay naman.
They support and appreciate your creativity.
And sila na rin yung nag-handle ng fan days na mga team, ganyan.
Kasi iba sa kanila dati, ano pa lang, elementary, at high school. Eh, iba high school ngayon, college na. And nandun pa rin sila. Nakakatuwa nga eh.
May anak mo.
Dati may anak na ngayon, lola na.
Makaninong na kayo next time.
So that's
Malolo
50
na
yan
kayo.
Ano ka, 19 pa lang ako.
Whatever.
Sure mo pala.
19 when you started. How many years ago was that?
10 years ago. Eh, magsa 10 years na pala kami this year.
Wow,
So, abangan nyo kung may bago
congratulations.
kaming mga pakulo. Kasi 10 years na.
When's the exact date
Sana mong
of your 10th year?
December.
Then, November.
November pala, November.
November. Okay, looking forward to that. And you're welcome, of course, to drop by to promote whatever it is that you're coming up with.
A decade, ganun pa rin.
Maybe siguro baka mag-organize kami ng event, like sa bar siguro, tutugan.
A decade of what? Yung ganun, ano?
A decade,
Yung mga
ganun pa rin.
Copywriter. Okay, let's get to the next song by Letter Day Story. This one is brought to us by Carb Trim. Stop watching carbs. Start blocking them with new Carb Trim Iced Tea Mix. This is one of your new songs.
Yeah. Kasama sa bago naming album.
Sinulat ni Yuri Tesorio,
Tesorio.
AKA Ramon.
barista ng Mellow 94.7. The song is called Hinahanap.
Hinahanap ka na, pusong malumbay. Sinta, sana'y maalala mo na nag-aantay itong puso ko. Sinta, sana'y maalala mo. May gabing sadyang di makatulog dahil sa kakaisip sa'yo. Hindi alam kung bakit ba ako ang tinamaan ng lintik na karisma mo. At kung mapagbibigyan, dalangin ang puso mo. Oh, please, sabihin mo na ako ang hanap ng puso mo. Hinahanap ka na, pusong malumbay. Sinta, sana'y maalala mo na nag-aantay itong puso ko. Sinta, sana'y maalala mo. Naiinip, nag-iisip ng paraan kung paano malalaman na ako'y nag-aasam na magkikwan. Tamis ng ligaya sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Oh, hinahanap ka na, pusong malumbay. Sinta, sana'y maalala mo na nag-aantay itong puso ko. Sinta, sana'y maalala mo. Kung mapagbibigyan, dalangin ang puso mo. Oh, please, sabihin mo na ako ang hanap ng puso mo. malumbay. Sinta, sana maalala mo na nag-aantay itong puso ko. Sinta, sana'y maalala mo, hinahanap ka na. Hinahanap ka na. Hinahanap ka na. Ng pusong malumbay. Salamat.
Mellow 94.7 sounds good. Letter Day Story or LDS live on stage 1. That song was Hinahanap and it's brought to you by Carb Trim. Stop watching carbs, start blocking them with new Carb Trim iced tea mix. Saying what's up to David Emusio. Good afternoon to you. He's here to just check out the band play and maybe talk to us in a bit. He's back from the US. He just came from next door. Anyway, let's pause for a short break and we'll be back with more of Letter Day Story only here on Mellow 94.7. Sounds good.
2 weeks nang di
And sounds good. Welcome back to Stage 1. DJ Ingrid taking care of things. Of course, a special guest for Stage 1 today we have LDS or Letter Day Story. Oops, turn off your mic. Okay, how can they get in touch with you through Twitter for those who are not yet following you guys?
Okay, pwede nila kami follow sa Twitter namin.
Twitter? Spanyo ka?
Twitter.com Twitter.com/letterDayStory. Ayun.
Just one account.
Sa nila, Letter Day Story. Kami lang din sumasagot doon. Actually, kami apat eh. Kung sino online, yun yung sumasagot.
Pag may ibang sumagot dun,
Oo.
Hacker yun.
Tapos
Si Ramon.
Facebook namin, pwede rin doon. Hanapin nyo na lang www.facebook.com/LetterDayStory page.
At ang mga music videos namin, check nyo sa YouTube. YouTube.
Okay. Saying hi to Lena Ayora enjoying the show today and also Rhoda Loves You who wants to say hi to Letter Day Story.
Hi, Rhoda.
We love you
That's
too.
EJ. Stay humble, guys.
Thank you.
Stay humble.
Thank you.
Okay, with your almost a decade of being together, what are some of the things you learned collectively as a band?
Patience, understanding, lahat ng values. Pagmamahal sa bawat
Sa
isa.
members.
Yeah. Kasi may mga times rin na syempre hindi nagkakasabay-sabay or something, mga conflicts and all. But then, lalampasan naman namin yan kasi naintindihan namin yung bawat personal na ginagawa ng tao.
And
Na members.
and if you're passionate sa ginagawa mo, feeling ko isa rin yung sa key eh. So minsan kahit busy lahat and then pag nagsama-sama na kami, so ganun pa rin, nag-work out pa rin.
Yan si Notat kahit busy yan sa pag-produce ng ibang artist and kasi siya, sound engineer din.
Wow!
So,
Big clap.
medyo busy rin pero kahit pa paano kung may gigs nandun pa rin siya. Hindi na pabayaan niya yung DS.
Never, kung like hanggat maaari, kung pwede tumugtog with LDS, yun yung ginagawa ko. And so far, thankful ako na sa work ko kasi medyo flexible siya. So, ahead of schedule, kung mayroong gig, nahatid siya.
So it's time management. Okay. And then what have you learned about the industry that can serve as a warning for others who may want to follow in your footsteps? Because you might have fans who really look up to you. Gusto ko maging LDS someday.
What do you mean, like a warning?
No, experience. Experience that you went through. Maybe you dealt with, the usual stuff artists have to put up with.
Ito, isa pa dun yung pagsulat ng kanta. Dapat pag nagsusulat sila ng kanta, galing sa puso nila. Tapos yung tipong, kung ano yung nafe-feel nila, mafe-feel din ng ibang tao pag napakinggan. Yun yung isa dun sa mga key na makakaano sa music industry and sa pag-angat ng banda and or artist.
And feeling ko parang madaling tumugtog kasi kung gusto mo, kasi lalo na kung passion mo siya, pwede kang tumugtog. Pero if you're planning to go deeper like sa music business na, yung gusto mo yung kumikita ka na by playing and performing, siguro advice ko dun sa mga ganon, lakasan lang talaga siya ng loob kasi basically mahirap talaga siya. It's not parang pag nakakita ka ng artist, feeling mo parang ganun kadali mag-book, ganun kadali mag-perform na feeling mo ang yaman nila, pero sobrang ibang game talaga.
The story behind it, right?
Yes.
What
And,
happens backstage.
Meron kaming na-encounter like mga singers, mga aspiring singers like sa studio, ganon. Kakanta sila. Sa una, parang feeling nila ganun lang kadali. Pero once na ipoproduce mo sila, parang gusto mo na silang tanungin na, oh, gusto mo talaga maging singer. Kasi makikita mo sa mukha nila na parang sobrang iba-iba yung dating sa kanila na malaking responsibility rin ang pinapasok nila.
Yes,
And-
not just all glamour and...
And, syempre, yun nga, yung parang kung ano yung mga advice or parang warning in the thing, di ba? Wag masyado ma-overwhelm if ever naman na maka-apak sila sa yung parang medyo pasikat na or something. Kasi, andyan lahat ng offer eh. Parang, alcohol, girls, drugs, and
Doon yung
all.
temptation.
Temptation. So, andyan sila, pero nasa sa inyo yun kung tatanggapin niyo ba sila or hindi. So, yun lang. Kasi,
Stand your ground.
maraming benefits eh, parang kung ano-ano. So, kailangan,
Think about it first.
And yung key pa rin siguro is, kung mahal mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, tuloy lang. Like kami, yung dream namin is tumugtog and magsulat, mag-perform. So, yun yung isa sa nagdadala sa amin. Yun yung no matter what. Yun yung nagdadrive talaga sa amin. Is yung passion namin about playing.
Yeah, and it's of course a common thing.
Yeah.
And that's very important. You have something in common. At least hindi Okay, so let's get to more music by Letter Day Story. Next one is Ikaw Pa Rin. Can you talk about
Yung
this?
single namin. Favorite ng mga fans namin.
Ito
Para
yung
sa inyo.
pinakaunang naging single namin, yung Ikaw Pa Rin. Ayan.
sa Team LDS para sa inyo to.
Alright. Title na to, Ikaw Pa Rin.